In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Gaussian elimination to solve this system of equations. So first thing I'm going to do is turn the system into a matrix. So we have 3x1 minus 1x2 equals 2. Then we have 1x1 plus 2. I could have left the plus out, but that's okay. x2 equals 10. Okay, so our goal is to get it to look like this. 1, 0, and then a number, and then 0, 1, and some number. And that would tell us that x1 equals this number and x2 equals that number. All right, so first thing that I'm going to do is, let's see, I'm going to multiply the top row by 2. So I get 6, negative 2, and 4. And then the bottom one stays the same. Now I'm going to add the top one to the bottom one. So the top one will stay the same, but the bottom one, 6 plus 1 is 7, negative 2 plus 2 is 0, 4 plus 10 is 14. So I added the top one to the bottom one, and this is what I got. So I got a 0 here, which is what I wanted. All right, now I'm going to divide this one by 7. So this top stays the same, 6, negative 2, and 4. The bottom, I divided by 7, 1, 0, and 2. Okay, so this is good. So I got that x1 equals 2, but I still need to know what x2 is. So I'm just going to flip the two rows. So I'm going to put 1, 0, and 2 on the top, 6, negative 2, and 4 on the bottom. Okay, so I want this to be a negative 1. I need to get rid of this one. So to get rid of this 6, I'm going to multiply the top one times negative 6, and then add it to the bottom one. So first, multiply the top by negative 6. I get negative 6, 0, negative 12. On the bottom, it stays the same, 6, negative 2, and 4. Okay, now I'm going to add this top one to the bottom one. So the top one stays the same, negative 6, 0, 12. The bottom one, negative 6 plus 6 is 0. 0 plus negative 2 is negative 2. Negative 12 plus 4 is negative 8. All right, this is good because now I have zeros where I want them, and I can just divide the top and the bottom. So I'm going to divide the top one by negative 6 and divide the bottom one by negative 2. So I get 1, 0, and 2. On the bottom, I get 0, 1, and 4. So this right here tells me x1 equals 2, and this down here tells me x2 equals 4. So there's my answer to my system.